Hello students, we are going to start our new topic in mathematics, that is fraction. Now what is fractions? You all have studied earlier that fraction is a part of a whole. Now what it means? Whenever I say fraction is a part of a whole, just let us take an example. Suppose you are having a full pizza, this is circular in shape, and we have divided it into 4 parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you have taken any one part of it, then what will be its fraction of shaded part? It will be, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So, in denominator, we will write 4. And how many parts are shaded? 1. So, its fraction is 1 by 4. Likewise, if we have shaded 2 parts, its fraction will be 2 by 4 or 1 by 2 on just simplifying it. Now let us take another example. Suppose we have divided any of the figure into how much part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are total 8 parts. So how many parts are there? In denominator we are going to write 8 and we have to write the fraction of the shaded part. Suppose one part is shaded, so its fraction is 1 by 8. If 2 part is shaded, its fraction will be 2 by 8. 3 part is shaded, its fraction will be 3 by 8. Likewise, if 4 part is shaded, its whole fraction will be 4 by 8. And again on simplifying, it's 1 by 2 and you can see its half part is shaded. So this is a brief revision of the term fraction. Now we are going to discuss what are the types of fractions. First is like fractions. Now in above example, I have taken a figure in which there are 4 divisions. The division are 4, but every time the number of shaded part were different, so they were same denominator but different numerator. So what are like fractions? Like fractions are the fractions having same denominator. Means 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. They are having same denominator 4, 4, 4, but every time the numerator is changed. Likewise, another example. Suppose we have divided this figure into 8 parts. So 8, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8 and so on. Means in like fractions, denominator is same and the numerator is different. These are called like fraction. Now unlike fraction. Unlike fraction is the fraction which is having different denominator, which is not like fraction. For example, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 7 and so on. Means which are having different denominator. These are called unlike fraction. Like means they are having same denominator and unlike fractions are having different denominator. Okay, now next is unit fractions. Unit fractions are the fraction which is having 1 in numerator. 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 8 and so on. Means in numerator there will be always 1. Now next type of fraction is proper fraction. Proper fraction are the fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator, in which numerator is less than the denominator. What it means? Means take an example. 3 by 4. Here numerator is 3, denominator is 4 and 3 is less than 4. So numerator is less than denominator, it means this is proper fraction. Another example, 5 by 7, 9 by 10, means you will have a smaller numerator than the denominator, then this is called proper fraction. Now our next is improper fraction. Now improper fraction are the fraction which are not proper. Means here improper fraction are the fraction in which numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. For example, if we have taken 5 by 3, means here we are having smaller denominator and greater numerator. So which is the reverse of proper fraction? In proper fraction, numerator is smaller, numerator is less than the denominator, and here denominator is less than the numerator, which it is just opposite. So 5 by 3, 5 is greater than 3. So 5 by 3, 5 is greater than 3. So here the numerator is greater than the denominator. 10 by 8, then 8 by 8, 9 by 4. Every time you say numerator is greater than the denominator. Here 8 by 8 is also improper fraction, because there is, I have told you, numerator is greater than or equal to. If numerator and denominator are same, 7 by 7, 6 by 6, then it is also an example of improper fraction. Okay. Now next is mixed fractions. Mixed fraction, actually this is a sum of a natural number and a proper fraction. For example, we are having 2 whole 3 by 5. It is a sum of a natural number 2 and a proper fraction 3 by 5. Means numerator is greater, denominator is smaller. So this is a proper fraction 2 whole 3 by 5. Another example, 9 whole 1 by 2. 9 plus 1 by 2. 4 whole 5 by 6, and so on. So let us revise what we have studied. We have studied about fractions, which is a part of a whole. Then types of fraction, in which we have studied like fraction which were having same denominator, the fractions that are having same denominator. Then we were having unlike fraction, in which denominator was different. Then we were having unit fraction, in which every time there was 1 in the numerator. Then we were having proper fraction, in which numerator is less than the denominator. Every time we are having greater denominator and smaller numerator as compared to denominator. Then we were having improper fraction, which is just opposite of proper fraction, in which numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Every time numerator is greater or equal to the denominator, then we are having improper fraction. Then we studied about mixed fraction, which was the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction. For example, 2 whole 3 by 5, 2 plus 3 by 5, 9 whole 1 by 2, 4 whole 5 by 6. And you know how to solve this. If we are having 2 whole 3 by 5, how we solve this? We just multiply this denominator with this natural number 5 into 2, and after doing this we just add this, just like 5 into 2, then we add this numerator 3, and just we take the denominator here as same. What will be solution? 10 plus 3 by 5, that is 13 by 5.